Hi, this is Nick. I wanted to take a couple of minutes just to let you know about the talk I'm giving on the anatomy of inspirational leadership on the 14th of November for our community. Now, I've been fascinated by inspiration really for the last 20 years or so, and I think there's such a big difference between motivation and inspiration, that when we're inspired we do connect to something deeper in ourselves, to our own heart, our own essence, our own spirit. And whilst motivation is about achieving more, I think inspiration is about realising that we are more. So what I'm going to be doing during the evening is teaching you, I suppose to some extent, the anatomy of inspiration as I've come to understand it over the last few years. Share my understanding of what happens when we get inspired, what gets in the way of our inspiration, how do we keep nurturing our inspiration, how do we keep unwrapping ourselves and our gifts by following our inspiration. So the first part of the evening is about understanding inspiration and what it is and how it operates. And then the second part of the evening is how does that tie in with being an entrepreneur, and today to being an inspired entrepreneur and really a leader. I think so many of us who are entrepreneurs today and inspired entrepreneurs are really actually called into leadership. So I'm going to be talking about how do we be inspired and inspiring to other people, because I think really we've got to know how to do that today, and often I think we kind of hold back on what really inspires us and what we really care about and what's really close to our heart, because obviously it can lead us to feeling a bit vulnerable and can feel a bit scary. So I'm going to talk about how do we get beyond our resistance and really let people know what we do care about and what we are inspired by, and really, you know, the bottom line is, what do we love, what do we care about in this world? And when we start expressing that more clearly through our business and our leadership, we're going to become a lot more attractive to people, and people are going to be drawn to us. It's a real win-win. So I hope that sounds interesting. That's the territory I'm going to be covering for the evening, and you will also get a copy of my book, How to Be Inspired, which came out 7 years ago now. I can't believe it, but you'll get a free copy to take away with you. So I hope this sounds interesting to you, and I really look forward to seeing you there. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.